Hello there and welcome back to another episode of Pastryology by Vimal. In today's video, we'll be making an easy and simple cookie, a crinkle cookie. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Vimal, I'm a pastry chef. Before we start, do me a favor. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so by clicking that subscribe button and do not forget to turn on the notification so that you will not miss any recipes out here. Let's get started. To make the cookie dough, you need 50 grams of egg, 35 grams of unsalted butter, 18 grams of dark cocoa powder, 2 grams of baking powder, 3 grams of instant coffee powder, 112 grams of sugar and 100 grams of all-purpose flour. The making of crinkle cookie dough is super duper easy. What you have to do is take a bowl, combine your egg with sugar, instant coffee powder and 5 ml of vanilla extract together using a whisk. Once the sugar and egg is combined really well, add the melted unsalted butter into it and give a good mix. Once all your ingredients combine, sieve the dry ingredients together. Give it a good mix. So that's it, your cookie dough is ready. The dough will be slightly sticky, but that's normal. So once your dough is ready, sprinkle a pinch of sea salt flakes into it and give it a good mix. Cover the dough and put it in the refrigerator for 1.5 hours until the dough sets completely before we roll it. Once your cookie dough is set inside the refrigerator, take it out and roll it into individual bowl. Coat it with regular sugar, coat a generous amount of icing sugar and place it on the baking tray. Try not to keep the cookies too close while arranging it on the baking tray, because once you bake the cookies there are chances it will spread and it will stick together. So always maintain a small gap between each cookie dough. Now let's bake this at 170 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. As usual, depending upon your oven, you might have to adjust the time and the temperature, so do keep an eye on that. So that's it, our cookies are baked. You can see nice crack on top. That's how it should be. So that's all from me, guys. Hope you all learned and enjoyed the recipe. It's super easy to make. Definitely try this and tag me on my Instagram handle. I'll see you all in the next video with a new recipe.